5 most beautiful birds in the world.
5.
Hyacinth macaw Another-inches Hyacinthinus. The largest flying parrot species, the hyacinth macaw. He is admired for its stunning cobalt blue plumage and striking yellow eye ring.
4.
Golden pheasant Chrysolophus pictus. Native to China, this pheasant species displays a captivating mix of gold, red, orange, and green feathers.
3.
Victoria crown pigeon. With its regal blue feathers, elegant crest, and striking red eye, this bird is a sight to behold.
2.
Peacock pavo cristatus. The male peacock's iridescent tail feathers, or train, with their striking hues and elaborate patterns, make it one of the most visually captivating birds.
1.
Mandarin Duck X Galericulata, known for its vibrant and intricate colors. The male Mandarin duck is especially famous for its striking appearance.